What's up everybody, welcome to the channel. Today we're doing an unboxing of some Beats Studio 3 wireless headphones. Let's take this wrapping off. Now these are the gray color. To give you guys a good view of the outside of the box here. Very nice, very nice. Not too much going on. So now we'll just slide this off. Got the nice Beats logo right here in black. It's very clean. And we'll open this up. Change the way you hear sound. Now, as always, Beats, similar to Apple, have very clean presentation with their boxes. And it's kind of ironic now that Apple owns Beats. So, hey, if you want your company to be bought by Apple, just have good packaging. That's all you need to do. Alright, so here are the headphones in the nice hard case. Before we open those up, let's go through the rest of what's in the box here. Pull this out, and underneath we have our, looks like an audio cable. Now these are wireless, so you most likely will not find yourself ever using that, but in case you need it, it is there included. There's some documentation, maybe some stickers in here. Not going to open that up because that's kind of boring. And then we have a charging cable, which you're going to need to use quite a bit because they are wireless. Let's take this out. It's just your standard micro USB. And then you also have a clip that you can put on the outside of your Beats. Clip them to your backpack, to your belt, whatever you want. And that is everything in the box. Let's set that aside here. Now we'll open up the case. That was a very protective case, nice and hard, solid. You know, I wouldn't be afraid to throw this thing around. It's going to keep your headphones safe. So there are the headphones. Take them out, unclick them. There they are, very nice. I really do like the matte color on these. I have an older pair of Beats, not wireless, that are glossy, and I much prefer the matte color because glossy you get fingerprints all over. Just gotta keep them wiped clean. So here you have a sticker on the side that shows you exactly what each button does. You have volume up, down, play, pause, and then that is also for answering phone calls. So peel that off. Very nice, solid buttons here. And then on the other side here you have a sticker letting you know that that's where you charge. And then on the bottom here you have an audio 3.5mm jack on this side, which you can use that cable for if you want. Otherwise on the other side here you have just your standard USB, micro USB charging. So there's that. And then as far as turning the headphones on and off, you just have one button over here, which turns the headphones on and off. And then underneath here you have some LED indicators that will let you know of how much battery you have. I believe there are 5 of them on there. So let's turn them on. You can see that. Just press the button. Alright, so I've got my iPad here. We're going to turn these on and pair them up. Now I'm pretty sure that these have the Apple W1 chip in them, so they pair quite nicely with Apple products. So let's turn these on and see if, oh yep, so it popped right up on my iPad, Beats Studio 3. It's nice as it actually matches the color of the Beats too. That's a nice little touch that they did. Let's connect. And there we go. They heard a little chime in the headphones too, but they're connected and you're good to go. It's easy as that. Now this is how the headphones look on. Give you a little side view, top. Now they do have active noise canceling, so putting these on, they do a very good job of blocking out noise, especially white noise. That's what I noticed, that they're the best at blocking out, but other noises too, they definitely muffle them. So now let's play a song here and test them out real quick. Throw them on. Now of course they sound very good. The Studio, I'm sure you guys know, is the higher end as far as the Beats headphones go. Solo would be right below that. I much prefer the over ear like this that actually cup your ear instead of the Solo, which sit on top of your ear. Yeah, so they sound great, guys. They look great. If you're interested in buying these at this point, you know they've been out for a while. You can probably find some on sale. I found these on sale at Best Buy. I got a pretty good deal on them. As always, I'll link the product down in the description, so if you guys want to check it out, go ahead down there and click it. If you liked the video, please give it a like, and if you want to see more content like this, be sure to subscribe, and I will hopefully see you guys in the next video. Peace.